Good evening guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. TG here, and tonight I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating these Twinkly RGB app controlled LED string lights. Right, so I'm going to be fitting these to this tree here, but they can be used indoors or outdoors for decoration. Right, so let's have a look around the box. So these are the Twinkly Generation 2. I've gone for the 600 LEDs, but it does come in other sizes. Looking around the back, we can see it's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controlled, 600 LEDs, RGB colour. It's got a black cable, 48 meters long, 8 centimeters between each bulb, weatherproof IP44, -15 to +40. You can download the app on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Indoor use, outdoor use. Also, on the top of the box, it works with Alexa and works with Google Assistant. Right, so let's have a look, see what's in the box. Right, so we got our mains plug there. And they come in 2 separate bunches, but they are joined on one cable. Right, so we've also got our manual controller there with a button on it to change sequences. And the mains cable does actually detach, so you haven't got to drag the whole thing around when you're trying to put them on the tree. Right, so let's see what else is in the box. You've got like a welcome card, and it looks like a safety instruction manual. Right, so the next thing we have to do is get these on the tree. Right, so that's all the lights on the tree. Now I need to just go ahead and install the Twinkly app. Right, so now I've downloaded the app and we've turned the lights on at the mains, which we've now got a flashing blue and red light on the switch. Right, so I've now fired up the app and it says to choose your device. I'm going to choose Generation 2. Right, so now we're trying to establish connection via Bluetooth. So what we've got to do is hold the button down on the switch until it turns greenish blue. There we go. And right now it says, congratulations, here is your device. Right, so now we need to connect it to our Wi-Fi, either using local Wi-Fi network or direct Wi-Fi. I'm going to be using my local Wi-Fi. Right, so now it's found my Wi-Fi, I just need to put my password in. Right, so it's now connected, it's now telling me to name the lights. Right, so I've put in tree lights, save that. Now it's time to set it up. Right, so what it's telling us to do now is obviously to put the lights on the tree and then to map them once they're on. So we're going to click on map lights because they're already on my tree. Right, so now it says about mapping tips. Avoid reflective surfaces behind the decoration. Keep the mobile cam steady during the process. Ensure a moderate ambient light, not too dark. Now I'm going to press next. So now what we're going to do now is get the tree in frame and start mapping. The bar is now going up on the mapping process. Now on the tree, we've got it going down with white lights and it says mapping completed, saved layout. So we'll press OK on that one. We're done. Now start using app. Now it's doing an update. Now the firmware update is complete. Right, so we got it all on. So let's take a look at some basic controls. Right, to start off with, we got the power button where we can toggle it on and off. So we've also got our brightness control where we can slide it up and down. We've also got our color palette where we've got loads of different colours there. Some nice ones on there. Yellow, orange. Then we've also got a timer where we can set the lights to come on or turn off on their own. Right, so now we're going to test out the gallery. So we've got loads to choose from, but we'll start at the top. We've got snow. And as you can see this line on the screen, which is our map, so you can see how it's working. So let's move on to rainbow. Right, so we'll try candy cane. I think this is pretty mental. All we've done is literally threw the lights on the tree and it's mapped itself. You ain't got to put them on any sort of like any particular order, and it just literally does it all itself from the camera. And it's only a small tree we've got there, but it does look really mental. Right, let's try another one. So we've got digital there. Very similar to candy cane, but different colours. And we'll try vertical. Right, so I just want to show you something else. We're going to show you fireworks. And then you can then edit it and you can change the different colours. Say we'll put it on blue there. and you can also change the speed. Right, now we're going to slow it back down. As you can see, it's slowing down now. I just love the customization of this. It's just great. You can do anything with it pretty much. Right, I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind now. If you press on this wand icon, you can then draw with your finger whatever you want. You can change the colours. So you can mix it with the red that I just done. Starting again, you can obviously do this thinner. So you press the thin button and then just do like that, changing the colours. And you can just mix and match it along the bar however you want. You can also erase it, so you can do away with the green look. Back to the wide. Let's try the sparkle button, see what happens. Oh yeah, it makes some of them sparkle. That is pretty amazing. Right, so there you go then guys. That was my demonstration of the twinkly lights. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, then think about doing so. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.